All right, everybody, good morning. This is Wes from the Toolbox Buzz crew here at Roll the Concrete 2025 in Las Vegas. And I'm here with Paul at the booth. Paul, it's good to meet you, man.
Wes.
And we're surrounded by the symphony of concrete destruction. So it's always a good sign. We're having a good day here at day two.
That's right.
So Paul's going to show us around on Bosch's new 3/4 inch high torque impact wrench offering. So Paul, can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Absolutely. So this is our GDS 18B 1180C. Has 1,180 foot-pounds of fastening torque, 1,620 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque. Has a friction ring for fast socket changes. Also has the pin hole as well, so you can easily secure that socket set in there. Has a variable speed trigger with 3 speed settings and 2 working modes to prevent overdriving. So what will happen is, as you're fastening to the workpiece, the tool will automatically shut down so you don't overdrive into that workpiece. You want to give it a shot?
Yeah, I'd love to. And I got to tell you, I'm given the specs of it, just the overall feel and weight and balance on this is just, it's awesome. I mean, it doesn't feel overly bulky for a 3/4 inch drive, high torque tool.
Yeah.
I mean, so that's really, really impressive.
Yeah.
But all right, and just to be clear, the modes that we're talking about, I mean, that really caters to mechanical fasteners,
Correct.
steel construction, not so much with like a concrete fastener
Exactly,
like this, right?
correct, yep.
All right, cool. Let's give it a try. All right, guys, this is the GDS 18B 1180C, new from Bosch, available now. And Paul, what are we looking at in terms of pricing on this?
Bare tool pricing is $329.
$329 is a bare tool. Okay. All right, so we're going to have some more coming to you from Bosch and the rest of World of Concrete 2025 here in Vegas. Thank you.